It is day 2 of ELA Skills practice. That means that you took your sort that you cut up and you sorted it on the ground in front of you, and then you wrote it into categories into your notebook. It also means that you did some whisper reading of your fluency passage to see if you could read it even more smoothly without mistakes. For today, for ELA, for sit-in spelling and word skills practice, you'll be on page 68, and it looks like this. It's got little piggies at the top. And we're going to work a little bit with suffixes. Suffixes are word endings that change the meaning of the word. So the suffixes we're going to work with today are ed and ing. And we talked about them being able to do the same job as a silent E. So in this first word, we have n, a, and then the E is silent, right? So n, a, name. So the E was able to make the A make its long sound, and then it was silent. So we know, we've gone over before, that the ED can do the same job as a silent E. So now it says a, because the ED can reach over one letter and bonk the A on its head to make it say A. A, but it doesn't say silent. It says D. Sometimes it sounds like T, sometimes it sounds like ed. So in this one, it sounds like it went from name to named, name to named. So in my book, I have that first word name. And it says here, circle the silent E in these words, then write the words with ED. So I'm going to circle the silent E that was on the end of name. Now I'm going to change that to be named. I named my dog Roscoe. Okay, so I made the word change to the past tense, something that already happened. I gave my dog a name. I named my dog Roscoe, because that ED is still doing the same job and making the A say its own name. We have a couple oddballs that we're going to work through today also. Oh, so we have ED, and then in a little, for our next set, we'll work with ing, and that ing can do the same job as the silent E also. All right, so we changed name to named. Our next one here says share. So it says circle the E, the silent E, then change it to ED to change the word. So now my word is shared. We shared some cake. Okay, so we had share and changed it to shared. This next one is a bit of an oddball. And then look at this. This is the word change. This is the word change. And I did tell you that the rule is that a silent E can reach over one letter to bonk a vowel. In this word change, it's reaching over two. It's reaching over the N and the G. Just like when C has an E after it, it sounds like S. When G has an E after it, it sounds like J, change. These are kind of working together, but we'll remember that this is an oddball. An E can reach over an NG when they're together. NG when they're together, an E can reach over them. So it's still making the long A sound. Change. And whatever the oddball was, even when the suffix comes on, it still makes its oddball sound. Changed. So that one's a little more complicated. It has a little more complicated sounds. We have a ch. We have a long A because ED can reach over an NG. And we have a G that has an E after it. So it sounds like J, not G. So that's got a lot of things in this word. Changed. So I'm actually going to change it in my book. I'm going to circle that E. And I'm going to write changed. I changed my clothes. Changed. There's a lot happening in that one. This one's pretty regular. We're going to change use to used. Use. Okay, we're going to just change it to used. Used. I'm going to circle the E. And I'm going to write used. And I want you to do the last two, care and hope, on your own. The next ones have us thinking about a lot of oddball things going on here. So in these, we are going to find the silent E at the end. Take it off and replace it with an ing. Ing does do the same thing that an E does. So silent E can usually bonk over and make a vowel say its name. In this word, the E is broken. We've talked about this word. Have, It's still saying not a. It's saying have. So the E is broken. So when we take it away and add ing, the ing will be broken too. And it will still be having. So if the E doesn't work, the suffix doesn't work either. So we're going to take off the E and we're going to change have to having. So if the word started, if its base word started as an oddball, with have, the ing won't work on it either, okay? Having. It's the same in this next one. This is not the word comb. This E is not working on this word. The word is come. Will you come to my party? Yes, I am coming to your party. So, because it started as an oddball, come, even when we change it with the suffix, it's going to stay as an oddball, coming. Okay, let's think about this next one. Is this an oddball word? Well, live would not be an oddball, but in this word, we're using it as live. I live in Truckee, live. So this is an oddball. So this silent E is not working on this I. That means our ing is not going to work to change it either. So it's not living, it's living. Living. We are living our best lives. Living. Oddballs. So many oddballs. But in this word, like, in like, it's not saying lick, like, because the E is making it say its long sound, the ing is making it say its own sound. Okay, then you have two more to do on your own. And you have take and give. One of those is an oddball and one of those is not. So I'd like you to try it on your own and see if you can find what is odd and what is not.